Alright, YouTube, we're back. We got 2 more boxes of 08 Premier, which is turning out to be a very nice case. Very nice case so far. Who knows what lies in the last 2 boxes, but we're about to find out right now. Some guys are still hoping for a Flacco. Maybe we could pull a Flacco. Who knows? Maybe we'll pull something else dirty. Jeez Louise. Oh, alright. For the Jets, we got a Kellen Clemens, number 35. Then for the Bengals, quad jersey rookie auto of Andre Caldwell, number 375. Azalin is crushing this break with the Bengals and Cowboys, along with somebody else crushing the break, and we'll find out in just a few cards here. Then we got a Premier Stitchings of Steve Slayton for the Texans, number 30. Then we got a Brody Croyle jersey and patch, number 65 for the Chiefs. After that, for the Jets, we got a rookie auto or signature Premier number 75 of Eric Ainge.
Hey, that's how we roll into the latest edition of Sports Center. Mike Hill hanging out with Kevin the Gun. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. They finally wrapped up the second round late Saturday afternoon at Bethpage Black.
Here we go, 5-piece. 5-piece, and this is funny. Oh, we got 3 teams, only between 3 teams though. We got 49ers, Texans, Seahawks, Jags, and Rams. So the Niners, Texans, and Rams. Alex Smith, Matt Schaub, Matt Hasselbeck, David Gerard, and Mark Bolger. Quintuplet jersey, number 30. I don't know how you say that. 5-piece, whatever. Quint jersey.
Saturday was a long day. We will take you from start to finish. It began just before 7:30. Phil Mickelson.
And here you go, last card. For the Colts, triple jersey auto number 25 of Bob Sanders.
But here's the tee shot at 13, the same tee shot in the first round that he hit well offline and actually had a lost ball. Here it ends up in the deep fescue. He ended up calling for a ruling. He thought the ball might have been plugged. Didn't like the answer.
Colts
got another ruling.
Got 3 outstanding cards. Alright, 4. Actually, that's 2 Bob Sanders and 2 Peyton Manning autos. 2 regular autos and 2 with jerseys on them. This is box 10. Last box of the break. Alright, we got a base card of Hines Ward for the Steelers.
Second on 18, and from that very wet area, this is a pretty good approach.
Yeah, he's got to love that when he puts it in there.
Then, for the Dolphins, second rookie auto for the Dolphins. This one is numbered to 60 of Chad Henne. Guy's got a sick name printed right across the card. Just saying. Shout out to cfletch and East Coast Chad. What up? After that, manufacturer patch for the Chargers of LaDainian Tomlinson, number 30.
Not many players can even advance the ball over 100 yards. Tiger hits it all the way up just off the front edge of this green, setting up a possibility where he can still save par, but ended up pushing this putt, finishing up with a bogey, not the way he wanted.
Then a very nice, very nice triple patch for the Patriots of Tom Brady, Mike Vrabel, and Lawrence Maroney. You got 2-color, 2-color, and 4-color. Number to 75.
He played a total of 7 holes. When the day ended, he was 7 off the lead. Tiger Woods started his day, as you saw. He was 12 behind. And by the end of his day, he was 11 shots back after playing a total of 18.
Boom. And then for the Chiefs, we got a Larry Johnson auto, number to 40.
When he came out in the morning, made 2 quick birdies, a huge putt there. The fact of going from 3 under back to 1 over and get all the way back to 3 under again, great playing.
Your system identified this man as the ultimate champion. Ogilvy fights back with a round of 67.
After that, another card for the Chiefs. Are you kidding me?
Conditions right now, he's just firing at every flag stick that he can.
Larry Johnson auto, number to 35.
Birdie putt on the 18th at Torrey Pines for being in the playoff last year. He starts his round with birdies on 10, 11, and 12.
And really such a solid player. It's only a matter of time that he contends again in a major championship.
Without question, he shot 66. Mike Weir's first putt of the day.
Oh, no wonder. cfletch has the Chiefs. I didn't even notice until just now. Sweet. Alright, last card. Last card of the break is a triple jersey for the Giants of Eli Manning, number to 65.
You're not supposed to make birdie, though. Well, you got to take advantage after you hit a shot like that, and Mike Weir does. Great birdie.
Moved to 7 under at that point, gave one back, 6 under overall. Lucas Glover playing beautifully. Here's a long birdie putt on the way to 64.
And that was the second hole that he played early Saturday morning. Beautifully done.
Alright, there we go. That was the 10-box case. Turned out to be pretty nice. We're going to have to find out which teams did not get hits, and we got at least 3 or 4 cards to random amongst them. So thanks for watching. Peace.